Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to be doing a setup and preview of the music bot Mintone for Discord. Mintone is a bot that offers you things like high quality audio, low latency from multiple sources including YouTube, Spotify, Deezer, and Apple Music. And then if you scroll down here, you can kind of see they have a smart queue. You can grab those multiple music sources like I was saying. We've got 24/7 music playback, different audio effects, lyric display, and all of this is currently available for free. All you have to do to unlock all of it is vote for it on top.gg. And they've got all of the commands you would pretty much expect from a good music bot. You can do manual, play, pause, resume, skip, just like look through your queue, add playlists, create playlists that you can save for later. You can change what channel it defaults to talking in. And I will say, one of the things I loved right off the bat about this bot is it automatically detects what your bot channel is and prioritizes it for all of its communications, so you don't end up trying to communicate by default in the general chat channel, because nothing annoys me more than when people clutter up other chats with the commands for bots, especially music bots. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and invite this bad boy to the server. You can get one of 3 versions of it. They all are basically the same, but you can have up to 3 of them on your server running at the same time. For some reason though, the button for these doesn't actually work for me. I don't know why. It might be Chrome or something else. But you can always go to top.gg if it doesn't work for you and click the invite button from here. So from here, it'll ask me what server I want to put the bot on. And it'll also, so I want to put it on my test server. And it'll also ask me what permissions I'm cool with giving it. I also like the fact that this particular bot doesn't want to have blanket admin permissions. This is really important because you can restrict what channels it has access to, which means you can keep it from spamming up other channels if your users are not very savvy about keeping that stuff in the bot commands channel. I'm going to go ahead and authorize that, and it'll join my test server automatically here, and it'll say hello in my bot chat channel instead of my general chat channel. Again, something I really like. So from here, you want to hop into one of your voice channels. I'll hop into listen here. And from here, I'll just type in /help to see what all of the commands are. I already know what the commands are because I've tested it, but you can check individually here or on the website for what all of them are. Like you can look at the basic music commands, you can look at the config commands, all that stuff is available really easily. Let's go ahead and type in /config, and I want to change the volume to, let's say, 40, so I don't blow out my ears. Uh-oh, that's not good. Well, normally you can generally change the volume. You can also, when the bot joins your channel, you can manually, on an individual level, you can always change the volume yourself that way. So instead, let's go ahead and search on Spotify for a track, and I'll look for NCS. You can look on those 3 platforms, on Apple Music, Spotify, and Deezer, for different tracks, artists, and albums to see if they have what you want. It's kind of weird that you can't search on YouTube, and also you should probably, as a developer, be careful because YouTube still doesn't like music bots pulling from YouTube to play on Discord, and Discord also will get up on your business because they end up getting legal threats from YouTube because of it. So in this case, it's got some NCS songs that I recognize, and I always like to use NCS songs because I can play them and YouTube won't flag them. So let's just go ahead and have a listen to Invincible. So we'll type in /play NCS Invincible, because there's a lot of songs that are called Invincible. And then we're going to turn this bad boy down by like the 40% so it's not so loud. And you can hear it's got really quick playback, like it didn't take it very long at all to start playing the song. I just had to find and load it. And it also has good quality. And I have the option of either using these buttons to pause and resume the playback of the music, or I can type in /pause or /resume, and those are all very snappy. Keep in mind I'm doing this around noontime, so this may not be reflective of the response times during peak hours in the evening, but I've tested a lot of bots over the years, and this is pretty snappy generally, whereas other bots have taken some time. So let's go ahead and play something else. Let's play just a random NCS song and see what we get. So it's added royalty, so let's play that now. We can just use play now to skip to that song. Here's the rub. Like I was saying before, you can get into a lot of trouble playing off of YouTube. Early on, it's not such a big deal when you're only on like a few thousand servers. But once you get up to a few 100,000 servers and YouTube sees an uptick in traffic to one source that's not giving them ad revenue, they will eventually get ads. So just be very careful about that. But yeah, this is all really good. It's really fast response time. I'm happy with the quality. We can see what the config settings are like, so we can change volume, autoplay, voice status. What about the bot channel list? Let me see what that's like. No bot channel configured. So how do I configure the bot channel? / bot channel add channel. / bot channel add. And we will add the bot chat as my official bot channel. And now it should be only using that channel by default so that it doesn't get confused. I actually really like that. And I would believe that you can change the bot channel for each one of the different Mintone bots to use a different channel so that they don't get confused and accidentally use a different bot's commands and add songs to somebody else's playlist that aren't supposed to be there. So I also really like this feature. The only thing I would like a little bit more, and it's kind of a matter of personal preference, is I like bots that allow you to like set up with a get started command or something to build their own channel, but that oftentimes requires certain admin permissions. And I also like the ability to restrict the bot to a channel of my choosing, or just using permissions restrict it from talking in any channel but that channel. So I like my admin controls, and I like not having every single bot have an admin powers. It's basically my opinion on that. But no, I think Mintone's a very powerful bot. It's really easy to set up. You invite it, and you can immediately start playing music. There's no frills, thrills. The only thing you really have to do is when you're on top.gg here, you'll have to occasionally vote for this, and you can vote for it every 12 hours or so. But it's literally one button. You just log in to top.gg with your Discord account, and then you can vote for Mintone. You can leave it a review if you want, and some feedback, and it'll unlock all of the advanced features. Like, it's got filters. So if you look on here, you got filter, you got nightcore, daycore, bass boost, better music, all this stuff. So if we type in resume, let's go ahead and play NCS Invincible again, just so I can make sure that YouTube's happy. And then we can type in /nightcore, and it'll automatically filter this to a sped up version for nightcore music. Although these filters will take a second to process, so keep that in mind. So that's what nightcore sounds like. It speeds it up, and there's actually something that I don't always see, which is there's a daycore. And obviously if nightcore speeds it up, daycore is going to slow it down, right? Which sounds kind of weird and can make some songs sound almost a little bit demonic, which is perfect for Halloween. And then you can also clear filter if you'd like as well, which will return it back to what it was originally. And then if you're done with the bot and you're just ready to do something else, you can hit stop. And that usually tells the bot to stop playing anything, and they leave the channel. But if you're not using them, they will eventually go AFK and then leave the channel of their own accord just to save on bandwidth. So yeah, I think Mintone is a really good bot, actually. Again, to the developers, I'd be careful using YouTube, but while they do have YouTube built into it, you can go nuts and play off there if you like. So that's Mintone. That's how you set it up. You just go to the website, click the invite button. You'll jump into your server, and then you can immediately start playing different music with it if you would like. That's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.